Welcome to Joyful Minds!
Hello, I'm Neppy. Let's go to the zoo again together. What is this animal? Lynx. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Lynx. What does a wild lynx look like? What is this animal? Woodpecker. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Woodpecker. What does a wild woodpecker look like? What is this animal? Castor. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Castor. What does a wild castor look like? What is this animal? Mongoose. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Mongoose. What does a wild mongoose look like? What is this animal? Potu. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Potu. What does a wild potu look like? What is this animal? Piranha. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Piranha. What does a wild piranha look like? What is this animal? Catfish. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Catfish. What does a wild catfish look like? What is this animal? Gecko. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Gecko. What does a wild gecko look like? What is this animal? Quail. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Quail. What does a wild quail look like? What is this animal? Sloth monkey. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Sloth monkey. What does a wild sloth monkey look like? What is this animal? Mosquito. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Mosquito. What does a wild mosquito look like? What is this animal? Dragonfly. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Dragonfly. What does a wild dragonfly look like? What is this animal? Cicada. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Cicada. What does a wild cicada look like? What is this animal? Flamingo. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Flamingo. What does a wild flamingo look like? What is this animal? Armadillo. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Armadillo. What does a wild armadillo look like? What is this animal? Canary. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Canary. What does a wild canary look like? What is this animal? Wildcat. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Wildcat. What does a wild wildcat look like? What is this animal? Newt. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Newt. What does a wild newt look like? What is this animal? African wild dog. Yes, let's repeat again with me. African wild dog. What does a wild African wild dog look like? What is this animal? Mandarin ducks. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Mandarin ducks. What does a wild mandarin ducks look like? What is this animal? Swiftlet. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Swiftlet. What does a wild swiftlet look like? What is this animal? Bamboo rat. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Bamboo rat. What does a wild bamboo rat look like? Now, let's summarize the animals we learned about today with Snippy. Lynx. Lynx. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Castor. Castor. Mongoose. Mongoose. Potu. Potu. Piranha. Piranha. Catfish. Catfish. Gecko. Gecko. Quail. Quail. Sloth monkey. Sloth monkey. Mosquito. Mosquito. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Cicada. Cicada. Flamingo. Flamingo. Armadillo. Armadillo. Canary. Canary. Wildcat. Wildcat. Newt. Newt. African wild dog. African wild dog. Mandarin ducks. Mandarin ducks. Swiftlet. Swiftlet. Bamboo rat. Bamboo rat. Thank you for watching. Like video, comment and subscribe.